In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage responses in Google Forms. Once your form is ready, start by opening it in Google Forms. You will be working from the form editor, where you can adjust how and when people are allowed to submit. This is especially helpful when you are collecting signups, limiting event capacity, or running a survey for a specific time window. When your form is open, go to the top right corner and click the Publish button. This area controls settings related to sharing and collecting submissions, so it is the right place to manage response availability. After you click Publish, look for the section labeled Accepting Responses. This section is where you decide whether your form is open for submissions and how long it stays that way. In the Accepting Responses section, click the link that says Set Close Date or Response Limit. This option lets you control submissions automatically, so you do not have to remember to manually close the form later. It is a simple change, but it can prevent overbooking or collecting more responses than you can handle. After you open that option, choose your restriction. For this tutorial, you will use the response limit setting. Find the option labeled after a number of responses and toggle it on. Once it is enabled, enter the maximum number of submissions you want to allow. Take a moment to double-check the number you type here, because this is the exact limit your form will enforce. When the count reaches that number, the form will stop accepting new submissions automatically. This works best when you know your capacity ahead of time. For example, if you only have a certain number of seats, spots, or appointments available, setting a response limit helps you stay organized and avoids needing to sort out extra entries afterward. When you are finished, click Save. This confirms the setting and applies it to your form right away. From this point on, Google Forms will track submissions and close the form once your limit is reached, helping you manage responses with less manual work. That covers everything you need to know.